right, so recording 2 today, so we're gonna get at least 60% of what I wanted to do today done, so that's something, I think. Okay, so I think I just want to go over like maybe 2 or 3 of the vocab words that are probably at the beginning, so that way when I read them, maybe I'll remember them. TBD. So e kawa is English conversation, so e kawa. Re soon. The like little tsus look really big, so it throws me off because I think I'm always trying to read them as tsu, and it's katakana words, which obviously makes it really hard for me to figure out what they are if I'm trying to say extra su when it's not there. So I'm going to try to remember that. Heijitsu is weekday, and onaji is same. Guarantee I won't remember this while reading, but we're gonna try. So I think I want to do this like Japanese, English again because I felt like that was really good. So again, I'm gonna like keep looking up to see if the recording's working because I'd really like for it to not screw up again. So we're gonna start at the beginning with the story Densha. Okay. Ayako wa mainichi densha ni orimasu. Ayako rides trains every day. Shigoto ni iku toki, kaimono ni iku toki, tomodachi ni ao toki, egakawa, English conversation, yeah. Egakawa no lesson ni iku toki, eiga o mi ni iku toki, densha ni norimasu. Okay, so Ayako rides trains every day. When she goes to work, when she has English conversation, when she goes shopping, tomodachi ni, when she visits her friends, eiga kawa, when she goes to English lessons, and when she goes to watch movies, she rides the train. Yes! Hell yeah! That was the entire paragraph. The actual translation, that was me just remembering slowly. The actual translation is, Ayako rides trains every day. When she goes to work, goes shopping, meets with friends, goes to an English conversation lesson, or goes to the movies, she rides trains. So that was pretty good, and I'm pretty excited about that. Probably not this next paragraph because all the vocab I looked at was in that first one, but we're getting there. That's a thing. Okay. Heijitsu ni shigoto heiku toki, Ayako wa mainichi onaji hitotachi to onaji densha ni norimasu. When she goes to work on weekdays, Ayako always rides the same train every day with the same people. So same is onaji, same. Shimatsu ni dekakeru toki, itsumo chigau hitotachi ga densha ni norimasu. Something about on the weekdays. When she goes out on weekends, there are always different people on the train. All right, we'll do one more chunk. Ayako wa densha ni noru toki, itsumo fushigi ni omou koto ga arimasu. Whenever Ayako rides a train, there is always something she wonders about. I remember thinking that was a really long word. Wonders is the really long verb. Okay. この人たちはどこから来てどこへ行くのから This is like, where are they going? What are they doing, I think. この人たち the people どこから来てどこへ what are they doing? Where are they going? Where do they come from and where do they go? Listen, we're getting somewhere, and that's pretty cool because honestly, when I took Japanese back in college, I really don't think I could even do something anywhere near close to this. So I'm pretty pleased. So thanks for randomly YouTube existing. If anyone's watching this, hi, glad you're here. Ja.